My beloved, the wounds you once thought disqualified you are exactly what I will use to lift you higher. You have walked through fire, through betrayal, through heartbreak and silence when hope seemed lost. At times you believed those wounds were the end. You saw yourself through the lens of what you endured, not realizing I was shaping you through all those pains. Now I speak clearly to your soul. What wounded you will anoint you. This is not just beautiful words. This is a holy truth, and it is about to be revealed in your life. You were taught to fear your scars, to hide them, and to be ashamed of what you survived. But healing does not mean forgetting. It means understanding. Every place you bled, every place you broke, every moment you thought was lost has become a well of holy oil, oil pressed from your pain. You are not broken, you are anointed, and it is time for you to awaken to this truth. The world sees collapse, but I see a calling. When others see shame, I see fertile soil. When they label something a failure, I declare it foundation. Now I call you to awaken, not to who you try to be, but to who I created you to be before anything began. You are not random. You are not too broken to be used. You are not lost or forgotten. You are seen, known, and you belong to me. I did not cause your pain, but I never left you in it. I wove something eternal through your temporary suffering. This revelation begins now. Do not strive anymore. Remember who you are in me. Remember I have always been with you. Nothing you lost compares to what I am about to give you. The oil pressed from your wounds will not only heal you, but it will heal others. It will speak when you have no words, carry you when your confidence shakes, and open doors no resume ever could. This is not the end of your story, but the beginning of your anointing. I know the questions you silently ask. Why me? Why didn't it stop sooner? Why do I still feel broken despite trying to be whole? I hear you, not only when you cry out, but when you say nothing at all. I understand the ache you carry, and I have never underestimated your strength. You have carried a burden I never intended for you to bear alone. Now enough. Come to me, not to perform or impress, but to breathe out, to release, to find rest. I chose you not for your strength, but knowing your weakness. That is why my grace is powerful. I build my glory in places others avoid. Where you see flaws, I see fertile ground. I see a vessel strong enough to hold what others discard. You are not behind or too late. You have come at exactly the right time. My love for you is not based on what you do, but on who you are to me. I love you because you belong to me, not for your righteousness or perfection. Even if you are tired of trying to make sense, tired of hope when reality screams otherwise. I see you. Your persistence, your trembling faith, that is what I receive, not your performance. I see your hidden wounds and call them holy ground, not because they were good, but because I will use them for good. Now come closer, not to earn, but to receive. Let go of the lies that say you are too broken or lost. Those are not from me. I call you worthy, pure, anointed, necessary. The world may not see what you carry, but I have always seen it. Breathe, rest. Let down your guard in my presence. I am not taking from you. I am restoring what was stolen. Peace, identity, joy, vision, wholeness. This is only the beginning. I will lead you, layer by layer, step by step. You will not walk alone. It is time to face your pain, not to relive it, but to understand and transform it. Pain is not punishment, but preparation. Remember, I have prepared you from before the pain ever touched your life. You have walked through fire, but were not consumed. You were pressed, but not destroyed. Now you emerge anointed, not in spite of your story, but because of it. This is not the end of healing, but the start of a holy assignment. You belong to me, chosen and deeply loved. If this message touched your heart, please like this video. Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more empowering messages. You are entering a season of restoration and anointing. Walk on with confidence and peace in your heart.